What's for dinner?
Where the meat. Fuck I am.
It's on the
What kind of
menu.
meat?
Human.
Chad. Oh.
What?
Same thing.
Whoa.
Yep. Human meat.
Chad, I want to cook you.
It's fucked up.
Cook you and eat you. Nice. Monka S.
Chad.
Okay.
Hey, a revolver. I love
They
this gun.
stealing my gun? Okay.
Can we live this time? Maybe.
Yeah, revolvers only? What do you guys think?
We can do.
I
Oh,
don't
there's guns
have-
in here, dude. Come here. Come get these guns.
No. I got a
There's guys
revolver.
outside.
Where the fuck I am.
There's guns down here.
I feel like I'm gonna die. I'm just laughing at my next death.
Can I get some
I feel like I'm
7.6
gonna
for my rate? Just like 10 bullets or something.
Where the fuck
Why? No.
10
There's
bullets!
I,
no-
haven't even, I literally don't have more.
Oh
There's
my
literally nobody here.
goodness. Here we go. There's some.
Fucking great, man.
Alright, I'm gonna dab on some kids.
Why is there so much firepower?
Swap over.
Never. He's got a crossbow.
Watch this easy clap. Oh. Oh, guy in here. Hello!
Try sniper.
Level 3
Smarter,
vest, of
better,
course.
faster.
Faster, stronger, faster, better.
There's just no way that you're better. Never will be. Ha 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 ha.
Haha, stolen.
What? Oh my god, he hit me. A crossbow.
This guy's got an M24. M24 revolver. Harambe. Oh, pushing. Dead. Not dead, not dead.
Guy on
He's
me?
in this building, Chad. Your building.
How are you alive?
I don't know.
Win it. Thank you.
Fucking revolver, dude. Right in the dome.
4 boletos.
I feel like you should be able to jump grab stuff.
I
Yeah.
agree.
Fuck yeah.
Heavy agree.
Ha 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 ha.
Haha. Shazam.
Bitch. Jump grabbing stuff would be fucking sick.
Be the meta.
Meta.
I mean, you can jump and loot like a body.
Oh. No, where's the aid? Ah! Okay. Someone threw a nade. I don't know where it went or where it was.
Fear right there.
Where's the Nada?
Oh, he's so hurt.
Nada. Sharknado.
Shark
He's running.
Where's he going? I had an arrow in my arm.
I'm jumping. Ha ha! I found you, sir. Josh J.
You guys want a revolver with me?
I don't have one. Those are very hard to find.
Find me one. Yeah.
How should they buff this? The revolver. What way would you buff
Make it
it?
one shot ahead to level 3 helmets even.
Oh. Now
But
you're
it has to be like a bigger revolver, like a 500
Where
Magnum.
the fuck I am.
Where's the 4x here for you?
so just add a new Magnum.
No, just buff that one. Literally change the entire thing. Yeah. Holy VSS ammo.
There's just an arrow in my arm that needs to go away.
I got it. Hold on.
You can get that?
Yeah. Ready?
Pull it out.
3,
Give it a yank.
2, 1. Ah!
Ah!
So
Just bust?
Come on, bro.
I was helping it, Chad.
No,
Oh, you
it's
actually
not.
shot him? Come on, bruh.
Helping me,
Whatever,
My vest
dude.
is fucked now.
I shot you in your arm.
Yeah, penetration.
Yeah, okay. I'll penetrate
Surfers.
your meat.
Whoa. I don't think you can say that.
I can say whatever the hell I want. Okay. All right, dude.
Alright.
Thank you. Oh, crossbow. Ew.
Who's got SKS ammo for me?
I do.
Buddy? Oh.
How much do you want?
All of it.
I'm hearing.
Yes.
It's a little bit.
Herring.
What are you hearing?
Uh-oh.
Herring. Here you go. It's for you.
You got. Thank you.
A revolver.
Ah, fuck.
You want to participate?
Guess so.
Revolver.
Now I gotta look for a suppressor.
find one of those.
My pistol. You can totally aim with that shit. Oh, dude, I found a sniper suppressor. Come on.
VSS M24. That might be the play here.
Dude, VSS is disgusting.
I'm gonna try it. We're going with unorthodox things right now.
Whoa, who's shooting?
Me.
Who's shooting?
Oh my
Ow,
god.
I
I'm
need
sorry.
a suppressor, dude.
I'm sorry. I shot
I
you.
was shooting at him.
No,
Don't
no, 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 I shot you in the
I
leg.
was-
It was an accident.
You
Shoot
guys
me in my leg.
got-
Shoot me in my leg. Shoot me in my
I
leg.
did a lot. Okay.
Ammo?
The
I shot
hell?
you right in the dick.
The hell,
The
dude?
dick.
Fucking stick this needle in me.
Pistol suppressor, anybody? Anyway?
No sir.
What is this?
If you
Is this a
find another
pistol
revolver,
suppressor?
let me know.
What?
Okay. I'll let you
Bustin'
know.
Makes me feel good.
I'm scoping 'em out.
I think we could win a game like this.
With revolvers?
Yeah. We're both experienced. I mean, all three of us are experienced. Revolver players? I don't know, dude. You want a sup for it, right?
You got a baby
Mhm.
dick, dude.
Fuck, man.
Baby dick.
I've seen it.
Yep.
Microscopic shrimp cock.
Wow. Yeah,
You're
best.
mad.
I'm fresh.
Yeah.
Man.
Did I just find one? Is that what this is? Oh, baby.
Triple.
We in there. Got the soupy.
Oh, you got a
I think I have
soup?
enough ooh, 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 ooh.
Got the soup.
Extended mag for a fucking
It's
rifle,
hot.
please.
Kind of soup.
Fucking chicken noodle.
Ass soup.
Oh, you soup, dude. Fuck.
Soup is delicious.
What? Hey. We'll do that again, or?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, ready? Who's that?
Who's there?
Hello.
Wait, what? What?
He's got M24.
There was a guy here?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just creeping.
Okay.
Just takes M24.
Yeah. I have an M24 crossbow revolver combo.
I got a VSS M24. I wish I had a revolver, but I don't. Can't, so I shan't.
Probably find one. Whoa.
Who's
Well,
there?
Wait, what?
Shoot again.
Bitch?
I
Oh, I
dare
see him.
you.
There he is. In the red too. Holy shit!
Lobster.
There's three of them.
Lobster.
Sweet.
Please
Oh,
don't-
nade on me. What?
Ah!
Let's go.
I'm getting it. Oh my god. One's in the red, one's moving left north, and one was northeast 65. If you're in the open,
You guys want to call?
please.
Okay, I down one. You
You're
guys?
on the red?
Yeah, red. Do you think they're stream sniping or?
I see left guy.
I don't know.
Where's left guy?
Left guy's
On
over
me.
Oh, I see
close.
him.
40. There you go. Last guy's over here.
Please!
Oh, this guy.
shit! I hit him.
I can't. Okay, there you go. I think there's one more.
Holy fuck!
Yeah, behind me. Got him.
Good work, everybody.
Where the fuck
This guy just got
The
racist with me.
revolver.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
him.
Oh, he's
guy
got
that
a
I killed
suppressor.
him.
Sniper suppressor.
Oh,
You okay?
Yep, they're on top of the hill. I got the fastest reactions in the west.
In the west? What about the east? I don't know what servers are on.
Oh my god. Oh! They're in the. What the fuck?
What?
Where are they?
Four, team of four.
Where?
Yes.
300 on the
Oh
rocks.
god. They're
Okay,
fighting
I'm
someone.
going over there. I'm going over there.
They're fighting somebody.
Oh
Hit
my-
one.
It's two teams. I'm
This
coming.
is insane. What's going on? Oh,
I don't have a
That's
VSS
solid.
though. No extended mag.
oh no.
This might go
This is-
terribly.
There's another team even farther down?
This is great. I love
Yep.
this.
I'm getting sniped at from I don't even know where.
I hear him. He's like East
They're
Hill.
dead, dude. It was one left.
There's one left.
Quiver.
No,
Yep.
there's gotta be more. This
There-
guy was
no,
like
that's it.
laying down.
There's bodies every. They're all in the water,
They're
dude.
tumbling.
R.I.P.
Oh my god, dude. There's literally just bodies.
Literally, look down. Look down here. In the
I know. That's what I'm looking at.
Ah!
Oh,
Ah!
I'm fucking dead.
How are they hitting these shots?
No.
I'm hiding. Fuck this.
There's a boat here.
We need your help, Mike. Please
I'm here.
suppress.
Everyone's dead.
I'm here. What do you want me to
Suppressing
do?
fire? Kill them all.
Okay.
Kill them all.
You think they're pushing us or?
Probably. I don't know how close. I don't even. I never saw one.
Oh yeah, they're in. Oh. I'll see you
Are
later.
they?
Yeah. They're edge of boot
In
camp.
where? Oh.
The very like southwest side.
Yeah.
Downed one behind those giant sandbags.
I need
a
a
stack
better
over there.
scope. I'm gonna try to find a better scope.
Who's shooting me?
Where the fuck I am.
Oh, there it is. Better scope.
Some guy is 60. Top of the hill. I'm going in to try to kill these guys.
Okay. Wait, is that a?
Hmm.
Oh no, it's not. Fuck. We don't have to go too far. We're alright.
Where the fuck I am.
Coming out, Mikey.
I don't know
35
where
seconds.
they are.
I'm getting shot
I think
at
they probably
somewhere.
moved. Oh no, they're still behind the sandbags. So hell yeah.
What? I got hit.
I don't know if they know I'm close.
Nope, they did. They shot. See if I can toss a banger nade. Do I have nades? Yeah, I have one nade. Kobe.
Down one.
Nice, sir.
Down. Hit the other one.
I'm not near you yet to trade. Inside.
Hit.
He's
Okay.
outside, yeah.
Okay, I'm low as shit. I think there was
I don't
only the
see
two
him on
here.
this side.
I think it was the only
Okay.
two at these sandbags.
Well, zone's coming.
Goodbye.
I feel like the other guy's like at the warehouse or something.
I don't know, maybe.
Oh, Nate. Oh, behind me.
Really?
Oh, wow. Yeah, I know. There's a Nate back there. Yeah.
It was hella slow. Uh-oh.
I'm safe though, so it's very low tick.
He can't push you right now.
Okay. You missed.
Goodbye. No. Hey.
Thank you.
Are we gonna die to circle?
No.
The circle. Look how slow it's moving, Chad. Easy clap.
Where the fuck I am.
I love this fucking gun.
I feel like there's more guys.
Potentially.
I'm running out of bolts here.
Good kills. Fam
Bolts on this guy.
Fucking
family.
fumes. Fuming. I wish Justin had a revolver, dude. This would be awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Hard to find on this map. I'm surprised like 2 of you even have one.
Where the fuck I am.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Oh,
up the
man.
hill southeast, I think.
Yeah, it was like, no. What?
Let's go a little bit more right.
10,
Or-
15? Like to our left?
Yeah, it was our
I
left. It
thought
wasn't right.
I thought
It
it
was
was
Front
left.
of us to our left.
Just
yeah.
left.
Hey,
Just go around right. Chad, when we see a guy like running in front of us, we gotta double revolver him. Don't
Yeah,
punch.
I have
In
no
the
idea
head.
what's going on.
if you hit him in the head once each, I think he goes down.
Yeah, headshots out.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Where? See this
Oh, we're in the grass somewhere. I don't know.
Couldn't tell if he's prone or not.
I heal a little bit before I cross, I guess.
I'm going up the hill.
I'm here.
Where the
Yep.
fuck I am.
He's down in the mosh pit.
Is he?
The rock maybe?
Oh, he's just doing things.
He's just trolling.
Yeah.
No, he shot at us.
Ow.
Sitting here.
Bro, I
He hitting
can't.
you?
I can't see him.
Can't see him. Yeah, I can't either.
He's like next to the rocks.
Oh, no, I think he's farther than the rocks.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it that guy at the tree? 330? Is that him? Let me scope in.
Nah, we gotta go.
That is him.
Where? The tree?
330. He's running on the road.
Oh.
Damn, that sounded way.
That sounded so close to us. That's
Yeah, what?
crazy. That is
the
not. That
fuck?
audio
Wow,
was
that's
not
bad.
right.
That sounded very weird. Well, he's about to get pushed towards us.
All right.
Save.
Me and Chad have the fucking revolver guy.
At least
Wombo.
one.
Yeah, we got a
I've already
wombo.
revolvered.
No, but
one
like
or two?
wombo.
Together.
Oh, just
you
like
know,
bam,
double
bam,
headed.
like dead. Yeah.
This man is MIA.
I'm going in that direction.
Where the fuck
Yeah.
I am.
Okay, sir. Someone just killed Mark. Huckle.
Where the fuck I am. Where the fuck I am.
Yes. Yes. I could smell the fear.
They're scared of the revolvers.
How do they know?
They know. They've seen the kill feed. They know what we're about. Are you guys gonna try to long range revolver him? 'Cause that's
Yeah.
it.
Oh.
Where the fuck I am.
They're in this house, dude. Oh. Oh God. What the?
You can shot at it. Yep. There's guys to the left too, northeast.
What
Just
a
killed
potato.
Kinrect.
In the house.
Yeah, he peeked the door.
wait.
I hit him once.
He's out. Oh my God. They're fighting. All over.
Where
Fuck
the
it.
fuck I am.
Eat my shit.
One down.
Bitch.
Oh, I see another one to northeast.
Like trying to escape.
Ah!
Ha!
Okay, I'm okay.
Oh.
Fuck I am.
I'm healed. I downed another one northeast.
Oh, I shot one. Oh, I hit him again. What?
Are they in this house? I don't think so.
Oh,
They were.
yeah, no idea, bro. Another one.
Oh, I'm going for that ass, ma. I don't care if you remove my vest. It's over here at this pointy rock.
Pointy rock.
This one right in front of me.
Up the hill.
Like right next to me. I see his gun. He's behind this middle rock out of the three. He's 1 HP. 1 HP behind that middle
Where
rock.
the fuck I am.
Yes.
I'm alright.
sir.
One. Hit again. Oh my God, that guy got destroyed.
Never got this kill.
Wish I had some.
Revolver.
How many people dying in the zone? What game are you guys playing?
Need a vest.
Oh, there's a level 3 with like 1
I don't
HP.
I got one
Oh, I
bolt
see a guy
left.
running north. North 10. North 10. With the zone over here. One just got knocked to the zone. Come on, bro. Oh my God, he's one hit behind this tree. He doesn't even know. He didn't even know what's
Where's his
happening.
team?
Dude. Oh, another one. 300.
Nice.
Where the
Been
fuck
down him.
I am.
I'm about to kill him.
Hit him.
Never mind.
Oh, dude, he's low.
He's so
I got him.
scared. So funny. They just have no clue.
We got VSS and fucking revolver suppressed.
Zero idea.
That's kind of funny, actually. Oh, boy.
I got no vest. I'm down. Let's do it, boys. Where are you guys?
They're moving.
Not you guys, but where are they? Them, the peeps. Oh, I know where I would be. Down there south.
In these huts?
No, down there south in that maze.
You think they're in
Oh,
the
hell no.
maze? What
There's
the?
so
Yeah,
many
dude.
angles to die from there.
I hope they're in the maze. It'll be great. We got revolvers and shit.
Yeah. They're probably in these houses.
I'm here.
No, they
Right
might
now.
actually be in the maze.
I
Really?
actually think they are. That's where I would be.
No, I don't. I got good angles.
No.
I don't see them. Nah, they're
No,
not.
It's only
They're
2
not.
people, but
They're not in there. I can see a lot of it, unless they're like hiding perfectly
They're
behind
just, like,
something.
prone. Yeah.
Where the
bro, they
fuck
probably
I
are the
am.
way that we came.
They're probably
up
in the
here.
houses, dude.
I checked that long one right there.
All right.
Actually, I checked both ones.
I'm gonna
right
check the small ones. I'm going in.
You want to just molly them out?
there. Molly.
Okay, hut's clear. The shit shack is clear.
I cleared this right here, so they're not here. They're proning around. They're in. They gotta be down there, dude.
They could be down this ridge on the left, east. Just like prone.
Are they really in there, and I just don't see them?
No way.
I swear they're in there, man. Where else could they be?
I don't see
Prone?
them prone down here.
What if they're prone up top?
Oh, I threw smoke.
Where are these guys?
Is that a? I see one.
One's where?
Oh
The
my
hell?
god.
What?
There's a stream sniper that was killing other stream snipers. Huckle.
Oh shit!
He's just prone
Vigilante.
here and-
He's
yeah.
just solo.
Bolts. This guy's 20 bolts. What? He had no crossbow to be 20 bolts. What an animal.
Looking out for you.
He's right here.
Where's red? Oh. Don't do it, Chad. Oh, it's
Just
Flox.
flock.
Jesus Christ, boys.
How many kills did everyone get?
5.
10.
That's not bad. 5, 10, 11
That's good.
It's good.
for trolls.